photographers here, just taking videotapes. As you could see, they're just right there standing and making some kind of assessment where really they should be coming and seeing what the people need. We have an 85-year-old lady here with no help whatsoever, even from the people in town, to come and give her a helping hand. She's managing to take some of the sand off her own property. This is so unfair. Her father died for this land, and this is what she has to do. This is unfair. Where is the help? Where is the government? Where is the delegado? Where is the ejido? Where are they? Where is the help? Is this fair? You tell me. 85-year-old lady built all this by herself, with her own effort, her own work, her own labor. I am angry right now. I am angry.